Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question is, find the minimum mass of block C so that block A does not slip with respect to B. So student, here are three blocks A, B, C. Its mass is M. So it move in downward direction by its weight mg. If T is the tension in the string, then this is T. Okay, and this system moves with acceleration a. So acceleration of the upper block system is also a. So from block C, mg minus t equal to m into a, and here is only acceleration a. So t equal to total mass of this system. So mass of a plus mass of b into acceleration, and this is m plus 2m into a, that is 3m into a. So putting this value in this, first mg minus 3ma equal to capital Ma. So mg equal to ma, bringing this side 3ma. So mg equal to, here a is constant, a is common, so m plus 3m into a. Therefore acceleration of the system is mg upon m plus 3m. Okay, now consider this block A, which is moving with acceleration a with this block system. So its normal reaction is in this direction, which is n, and mass of this weight of this block work in downward direction, and a frictional force here F equal to mu n work in upward direction, which normalize or balance this weight. So for A, F equal to mu n and n equal to, that is ma, because system this block is moving with acceleration a. So putting this value, F equal to mu into ma, and here F is also equal to mg, which balance. Now putting this value, mg equal to mu ma. So here cancel, g equal to mu into a, and now putting this value of a, here g equal to mu into a is capital mg upon capital M plus 3m. So g cancel, here capital M equal to mu into capital M equal to m plus 3m. Now bring this towards mu m minus capital M equal to 3m. M is common from this, so mu minus 1 equal to 3m. Therefore minimum mass of block C is 3m upon mu minus 1. So this is our answer. M equal to, capital M equal to 3m minus mu minus 1 upon mu minus 1. So 3m mu minus 1 is the correct answer, which is found in option B. So option B is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.